DJI Mic Wireless Microphone System. Content creators of all experience levels can raise the production values of their videos, interviews, and streaming with the DJI Mic, an easy-to-use that offers vivid audio quality. The system records clear and reliable audio at up to 820 via two miniature clip-on omnidirectional mics, which double as backup recorders for worry-free wireless. With fast pairing, the transmitters and the receiver automatically charge and pair as soon as you place them in the charging case. Simply complete the initial setup, and you can be ready to record quality audio in seconds. For a truly wireless experience, conveniently attach a transmitter to whatever you're wearing via the integrated back clip, or by using the clip magnets, without having to wire yourself or your talent. Rollers. A new version of an older invention, the rollers were created by a French startup of the same name. They take the form of roller skate-like devices that get strapped onto the user's existing shoes. Instead of simply having wheels on the bottom, however, they have motorized rollers covered in conveyor belt-like rubber tracks. Because the rollers bend in the middle to facilitate normal walking, each one has two tracks, one in the front and one in the back. Onboard sensors and other electronics detect the wearer's current walking speed and respond by activating the motors in order to double that speed, up to a limit of 7 miles per hour, 11 km/h. This means that they only roll as the user is walking. If the user is just standing still, the rollers won't carry them forward. Wooden Mini Kedial KD100. Powerful customization. A set of 18 buttons and one dial can be assigned individually or in mutable combination to your favorite shortcuts of keyboards or mouse to achieve different operations, such as zooming in and out, adjusting brush size. The dial also can display radial menu of tools to do things faster and easily. With all of the shortcuts at your fingertips, the creative process will be more productive and enjoyable. Upgraded V15 driver. Whedon driver has upgraded to V15, which optimizes the user interface and allows you to set up different shortcuts regarding to the requirement of different softwares. KD100 is predefined with a set of common shortcuts by default, so you can enjoy your creative journey with it right out of the box without installing driver. The Aero Smart Charging System. The first connected charging solution in the world. Connect to the free AROE app, available on iOS, Android, macOS, Windows, and soon Wear OS and watchOS, to extend the lifespan of your devices with optimized charging. Get notified when your devices are fully charged or need charging. New features and functionality are automatically pushed to your device with over-the-air (OTA), firmware upgrades, and regular software updates. The AROE Smart Charging System is the first portable battery charger that can safely charge all your devices, phones, tablets, accessories, and all major laptop brands, while other portable laptop chargers require manual voltage inputs. Ours is the first with automatic voltage matching to safely charge your laptop at the exact required voltage for peace of mind. Lua Smart Planter. Introducing Lua Smart Planter with feelings. A plant? Yup, your plants have feelings too, just like you. Their leaves and blooms gives great indication of their mood, allowing you to grasp their full personality and attitude. And now, thanks to modern technology, your plant can communicate its needs and tell you what they feel. Using sensors, the Smart Planter triggers 15 different universal animated emotions. A great but money-saving pet indeed. But how? By simply measuring the soil's moisture, sun exposure, and room temperature. It formulates facial reactions on the pot to let you know it's hungry, cheerful, or tired. Just install the free mobile app, choose which plant type you have, set your own preferred thresholds, and make it read the generated QR code, and you're connected. Ring Clock. Ring Clock can improve your sense of time too. How about trying to predict the time before you rotate the ring? It sounds silly, but we bet that you will play along with us at some point. It is also very green with no wasted energy because in real time, when you want, it shows the time. Our next dream is that rotation kinetic energy will give the power to the LED lights, meaning that the next version of Ring Clock can be entirely green. Mangetta Orbit Power Bank. The Mangetta Orbit Dual Power Bank charging station is easy to use at home or the office. Use the USB cable provided to connect the power station to a wall socket. Enjoy cable clutter-free desk space. Get through your busy day without fearing your personal devices will die. Just charge up your power banks in the neatly designed wireless charging station. Then grab one as you leave home or the office and just go. Hate that frantic rush to find a wall socket in time? With the Mangata Orbit, you'll never have to deal with it again with a spare power bank. Each power bank has a 5,000 mAh capacity. Enough battery power to recharge, and recharging multiple electronic devices at once can cause tabletop bedlam. But the streamlined designed wireless charging dock station sits neatly out of the way, so you can avoid the mess that multiple cables, like those from your smartphone and iPhone charger, can create. Orient display. Ever since the release of the Nintendo Switch, more than 80 million gamers globally have made on-the-go gaming a huge part of their daily ritual. Unfortunately, many of these gamers also believe this handheld gaming experience is a bit underwhelming because of the minuscule size of the current Nintendo Switch screen. The Orion 11.6-inch gaming monitor from Upswitch was created for gamers craving a larger and more immersive gaming experience without giving up portability. By increasing your actual gaming screen size by 188% and upgrading your audio experience with the integrated stereo speakers, your Nintendo Switch combined with Orion will deliver the gaming experience that every gamer deserves. Never run out of battery while you game again. While your Nintendo Switch is docked in the back of the Orion, it will continue to charge even while playing when your Orion is plugged in with its USB-C-based charging. That's right, you can extend the battery life of your Nintendo Switch while Orion gets powered via the portable battery connection. Orion truly is the ideal Nintendo Switch companion. Bigger screen, amazing speakers, better ergo grips, and designed to hold almost any brand of USB-C battery pack. It's time to play your favorite Nintendo Switch games without compromise. Atom Unihertz Rugged Smartphone. Atom is a small, compact smartphone that is only 2.45 inches in length, making it even smaller than your hand. It can surely be put in your coin pocket or handbag, sparing up more space. Running Android OS, Atom is compatible with most apps you can find in the Google Play Store. Despite its tiny size, Atom has almost all the functions you need for daily life, including fingerprint unlock, NFC, 64G storage, etc. With the IP68 rating and Corning Gorilla Glass. Atom is water-resistant, dust-proof, and shock-resistant, making it a perfect phone for both outdoor adventures and daily life. Small but complete, Atom secures your privacy by offering fingerprint unlock. An unlock time shorter than the blink of an eye doesn't affect your mobile phone experience at all. Thanks to its small size, Atom is more power efficient and can work for a long time with the 2000 mAh rechargeable battery. Atom's support for compass, GPS, and IP68 certification guarantees more reliable positioning. It is made for people with an adventurous spirit who need more reliable devices for off-road and trekking experiences. Measure Multifunctional Measuring Tool. Be more efficient with the time you spend measuring when you use the MEAZOR 3D 6-in-1 Multifunctional Measuring Tool. Super compact in its design, this gadget offers 3D floor planning technology, so you can simplify the process of capturing measurements and laying out a floor plan. Moreover, it boosts your measuring functionality and makes the whole process so much easier. Achieve accurate measurements and get help with measuring whether you're a professional or dyer. Plan out spaces with ease and use 3D displacement mode to move freely in any space as it auto-stitches every edge of the room. Furthermore, the 3D tilt mode makes it easy to capture every aspect of a room, including furniture and other obstacles. Produce 2D results and increase accuracy by 72% compared to your old measuring tape. Turbojet Brewing System. You've always wanted your coffee maker to resemble a military jet engine. You just didn't realize it until you saw the Aviator Veloce Turbojet 100 coffee maker. Constructed using aviation-grade aluminum alloy, stainless steel, and aluminum bronze, it's a single-serving, high-pressure brewing system. Despite its intimidating design, it's incredibly easy to brew your morning coffee. And since it's limited to only 100 units, it's as much of a collector's item as it is an avenue for your next caffeine fix. Super Veloce calls their Aviator Veloce a high-pressure brewing system for tea leaves or coffee grinds. The body of the Aviator Veloce is a quarter-scale replica of a real jet engine. with insides fashioned to percolate your favorite ground coffee or loose tea leaves. VOLTA Spark Charging Cable. Welcome VOLTA Spark, your last stop to solve all your charging needs. Declutter your life and save yourself hundreds of dollars every year buying new but weak charging cables. VOLTA Spark is a truly universal magnetic charging cable that would last you for a lifetime. Built with premium military-grade materials and improved physical features, VOLTA Spark can withstand the tugs and snaps that destroy other cables. With an 18K gold-plated copper core plug, 24 AGUG copper wires, and embedded VOLTA smart chips, you will enjoy blazing charging speed across multiple devices. The two rare earth N52-grade neodymium magnets have a 360-degree orientation to provide a stable and powerful connection. The magnetic connection between the cable and the tip attached to your phone acts as a trip and snag safety feature. Selpic P1. The world's smallest handheld printer, the Selpic P1 allows anyone to print anywhere, anytime thanks to its affordable and ultra-lightweight design. The well-rounded portable printer uses inkjet technology, but operates like a pen, allowing users to print photos, barcodes, QR codes, or just plain text on almost any porous surface. Not limited to just paper, Selpic P1 uses new inkjet printing systems that are extremely impressive in their versatility. It supports printing at any angle, including horizontal and vertical orientation, and can switch the printing direction from left to right or right to left. Equipped with a built-in line break function, the portable printer has the ability to print either a single line or across multiple lines, having an almost limitless number of printable lines equipped with speech recognition technology. The Selpic P1 uses the microphone in smartphones to turn your spoken words into text. The intuitive and user-friendly interface allows users to customize any design on the dedicated app and create unique prints. To use it, users have to simply connect to a wireless network, add their custom design and slide the printer into almost any surface: textiles, leather, wood, paper, and even on curved or uneven surfaces. Chakram, the electric height adjustable desk. The Chakram Height Adjustable Standing Desk is a customizable workstation for professionals, students and gamers alike to incorporate into their space when seeking out a way to enjoy a more comfortable everyday experience. The desk maintains an expansive design to easily hold all essential computer equipment and more in place when working or gaming. The unit can be adjusted in terms of height by simply utilizing the dial control that maintains a wireless design to easily make changes on the fly. The Chakram Height Adjustable Standing Desk is also paired with a pop-up power station that will provide access to essential charging ports alongside AC outlets, and even a wireless charging pad for powering up a compatible smartphone model. Incorporate smart technologies and eco-friendly materials into the manufacturing process to create sustainable and customizable furniture. Integrate more features, such as built-in storage compartments, RGB lighting, and ergonomic designs, into gaming accessories to enhance user experience. XTAL VR Headset. The XTAL 3 professional headset gets a wireless variant thanks to a streaming module that shifts some of the weight to the belt. The VR headset XTAL 3 offers high-end features for the highest demands. Customers are mainly in the industrial and military sectors. Since April 2022, the headset from Virgineers has been available for $8,900 VR version or $11,500 mixed reality version with high-quality 4K cameras. With the XR version, fighter pilots can see real instrument panels and the real hands in addition to virtually simulated elements. One remaining annoyance is the cable to a high-end PC. At CES 2023, Virgineers announced the wireless XTAL wireless headset, which has only one cable from the headset to a belt-worn module. It works with low-latency streaming according to the Wi-Fi 6E standard, which transmits in the 6 GHz band.